founders of Ripple sought to create a cryptocurrency that could be used in real-world scenarios. This is an extremely essential point that investors should be aware of. Generally, most of the digital coins do not have a clear road to becoming a widely accepted payment option, or they do not offer any real-time use cases. Ripple XRP is unique in the aspect, and this is what makes everyone believe that XRP is here to stay. At the end of today's video, you'll be 100% sure that the experts are still talking about it. What Brooks Entwistle said now, across 55 countries with several hundred partners on it, also has on the other end of the spectrum some of the most dynamic fintech people that are looking to use a lot of these blockchain technologies that we're talking about today. Entwistle said it's great to talk in the panel with such personnel on such important topics. He explained the idea and agenda of Ripple and XRP and how it all started. He said that Ripple was started as a software enterprise company that further developed XRP, and we are looking for XRP, the digital asset to be used for cross-border payments. He said cross-border payments from a use case standpoint was then, and we believe in today, one of the greatest use cases to go after, and that's really what we set out to be able to do. We did that by building the Ripple Net. He explained the network and said that it's now being used in 55 countries around the globe. It's involved some of the major financial institutions, and on the other spectrum, some of the most dynamic fintechs that are looking forward to adopting these blockchain networks. The need for doing this is that the world is moving towards digitalization, and firms are looking for a possible way. Ripple offers faster cross-border payments. It is providing the remittance solutions to many countries where this has been a major issue for years. It is faster and cheaper, so here the customers are not saddled with huge amounts of bills. Ripple XRP is the sustainable cryptocurrency offering such features. XRP is the most green cryptocurrency, and the payment company is also a partner of the Climate Accord. Ripple knows that there are ways in which the digital asset is used in environmentally friendly ways. This platform is widely utilized around the world and is gaining in popularity, however, perhaps not to the extent that many have anticipated in previous years. The key benefit of using RippleNet is to avoid the transaction. Difficulties that come with international transfers when doing an international transaction, there are lots of hurdles. Now consider RippleNet offers enterprises a more cost-effective and efficient solution on both sides. Transactions are settled instantly and in the local currency. Large institutional corporations and people with cross-border financial needs will undoubtedly benefit from this. It is a cryptocurrency with a purpose, its use cases and the solutions it offers, and then the use and need of it in the current financial system is not going to let it die. In the same panel, MasterCard has also declared Ripple as a partner. Ashok Venkateshwaran, Vice President of Product at MasterCard, recently referred to Ripple, the used cross-border payment startup, as a partner for payment transactions including digital assets. This is a really huge victory for Ripple and also for the value of XRP. The value of XRP is not going to be like that forever. This cryptocurrency is here to stay and it's just the beginning. We're going to witness a major rise in the value. According to the experts, XRP's price is primed for a $200 breakout. As per the FX Street, XRP price has been consolidating below a crucial trend line for nearly 2 months. However, a breakout seems to be around the corner as Ripple gets squeezed between vital support levels and resistance levels. The next breakout to occur will be one to behold, as it could hold the key to a rally that could reset the 2018 levels. While technical and on-chain metrics are leaning bullish, Ripple's recent quarterly reports show that it saw a 200+ increase in its XRP sales quarter over quarter. Interestingly, the sale comes from its product On-Demand Liquidity, or ODL, which leverages the use of XRP to transfer money across borders. Brooks Entwistle has also said that the Ripple On-Demand Liquidity is what is taking the company up. Despite the lawsuit it's fighting, Ripple has managed to partner up with the banks and financial institutions around the world, and now using RippleNet and on-demand liquidity. After the lawsuit, XRP will be the only fully regulated cryptocurrency, and its demand is going to increase further according to the coin market cap. At the time of writing, the XRP price today is $1.25 USD with a 24-hour trading volume of $5.2 billion USD. XRP is up 3.5% in the last 24 hours, and the current coin market cap ranking is number 7. With a live market cap of $56 billion USD, it has a circulating supply of 47 billion XRP coins and a maximum supply of 100 billion XRP coins. Now, the positive news, like partnering up with MasterCard, really should drive the price up. Anyways, XRP is here to stay. With every partnership, it's proving that the XRP is strong enough to make waves in the crypto world. Now it sure is making some. This is it for today's video. What are your thoughts about it? Let us know in the comments below. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe if you want to support our efforts. And don't forget to press the bell icon. See you in the next one. Until then, peace out.